Morning, everyone. 8:43 on this nice sunny Friday, end of the week. Video number 1526. Your pre-opening comment. The all-important jobs number. Okay, private payrolls up 233,000 total, which is private plus government, up 261,000. Not really overwhelming. Um, Unemployment rate 3.7. That's up 2 tenths. Average hourly work week 34.5 hours. Average hourly earnings up 4 tenths. That's versus a 3 tenths number. And the labor participation rate 62.2, and that is down. So that number really needs to come up a bit. The reaction to the markets: before the number, we were up about 100 in the Dow, 60 in the Nasdaq, and 20 in the S&P. On the numbers, we came straight back down to basically unchanged, and then rallied again to up about 275. Currently, Dow is up 90. The S&P is up about 7, and the Nasdaq is up about 40. S&P now up 21. Dow gaining again, up 110. So, this number was a little higher, but as I said yesterday, I think the market is set up for a rally because of what happened on Wednesday on the FOMC and the statement. There's very little more to add to that basis this number. Okay, Asia and Europe up. Also, the 2 to 10 spread is really getting up there. This has been a huge week for the both ends of the scale on rates, both time frames from short to long, and I think that the 2 year is up about 30 basis points. In any event, some earnings. Oh, Asia and Europe are higher. Earnings: DoorDash, a beat, 52.97, up 5.36 or 11%. That's great, up 11%. It's only down from 257 to 50. Square, which I guess is now called Block, also a beat, 60 and a half, up 559 or 9.4. PayPal with a beat, but very poor guidance, 71.79 down 480. Twilio, another X $450 stock, with a beat and horrendous guidance, 148.40. That's down $16 or 21%. Atlassian, symbol TEAM, 127.90, down 46.27. Another $500 stock, now at 100 and a quarter. And lastly, Carvana, 12.86 on their meat. Very poor guidance, down $1.49 or 10%, 97% off last year's high. Okay, the chart on the screen is the silver, and we are long, and we are long leveraged, and we are up almost 4%, up 74 cents. I said I really wanted to clear these numbers in here, these on a close, this 1967, but now it looks like we're headed back to this early October high and close. Well, the close was 22.25, so we're awfully close there. On a weekly basis, I'm going to guess we're pretty well broken out. Nope. Got to get back through 2025. but we look pretty strong. We should run into some resistance up here, but we're in at the right price. Okay, let's take a look around. Last I saw, the oil was up big, up 363 on the oil. Nat gas up 24 cents. Unfortunately, gasoline up a dime, and after yesterday's dramatic number in the heating oil, which, as I recall, I mentioned is basically the equivalent of diesel fuel, also up. It's up 15 cents on the week. That's a pretty hefty uh, percentage move against people who use it. Gold up 25, silver, as I mentioned, up 75. The softs are a little stronger. Cotton, coffee, cocoa, sugar, all up. Lumber hasn't opened yet. Um, Dow now up 188. Uh, Nasdaq up 94, and the S&P still right there at up 29. So we have the dollar down 60 cents, and we have bonds down another 1.25 on the day. All right, everyone, that's about it. Be careful out there. It's going to be hectic. And for all you who bought the AGQ, we'll have to see where it opens if we're on the 100% up rule.